Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this colorful drag marble nail design. So I already painted my nails with one coat of white polish, and this polish is Snow Me White by Sinful Colors. It's my to-go white polish. I love it. Then you have to paint a second coat. Make sure that the second coat is thick. If not, you won't be able to drag. I always say this in my drag marble videos. You have to make sure it's thick. Now don't overdo it, but make sure that it's a thick coat. Then I'm just going to add different pastel colors. You can add as much or as little. I kind of went a little crazy, but once I was done, it didn't look as, you know, much polishes or colors that I made. Then using anything with a point, this is a water marbling tool. I'm just going to swirl the colors together. Don't overdo it. You don't want to overdo it because what will happen is it will mix together and it'll become a big blob of color. You want to be able to see the difference in the colors. Then I'm just going to pull off some of the polish, and this is just to dry it out faster and also to stretch out the design. Then once I was done, I cleaned around my nails and I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video really easy to follow. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.